Odisha's largest and one of the oldest freshwater lake. On the western side of Saranda Hills, with the beauty of Mahanadi River. At a distance of approx 50 km from Bhubaneswar, the capital of Odisha in India, can feel your holiday with a magical touch of history and nature.
इको गार्डन अंशुपा या डेभलप कर चिलिका डेभलपमेंट अथॉरिटी यार
An ancient fort with which you can take a time ride to the Keshari dynasty. And the breathtaking view of horseshoe-shaped Anshupa.
Hello friends, welcome again to my channel. Today we have come to visit the Anshupa lake, which is a very famous lake in Odisha. It is about 40 km from Cuttack. So let's enter the place.
गार्डन भितर एंट्री करा टोटल मॉर्निंग आवर सानिटाइजर कर सेकेंड आवर सानिटाइज कर प्लस बोट तुठ जैकेट प्रति मुहूर्त जन लोक रही सानिटाइज कराई लोक मानक कहूँ समझे मास्क यूज करूँ और मास्क यूज द्वारा आम किपर कोरोना सेव हो पार।
धन्यवाद। एंड यहाँ पे पूरा ये बैम्बू ट्री का गार्डन बना हुआ है, मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ।
इंडिया कलेक्शन है विभिन्न स्टेट रु कलेक्शन नहीं किया कराई चाहिए गोटे गार्डन कर।
अच्छा अच्छा
ये वर्ष स्टार्टिंग कर 2 वर्ष है ड्रेसिंग कला भल डिजाइन आसो पूरा इंडिया 36 कलेक्शन ये।
अच्छा अच्छा अपन नाटा
माय नेम इज देवराज राउत।
ओके
या आई एम द स्टाफ फ्रॉम अशोक इको गार्डन।
The name of the bamboo tree is mentioned at the bottom of each tree. As he said, 36 different varieties of bamboo trees are planted here from different states of India and maintained for visitors about for 2 years. The bamboo garden is very beautiful. As per him, because of COVID, the maintenance of the garden is hampered slightly. Instead, it is very beautiful.
Let's enter the park first.
This place has been selected for the development of ecotourism.
This is the nursery area. Let's go towards the lake. This Anshupa lake is a horseshoe-shaped lake. It is created from Mahanadi River. There is a small children park.
This lake derives its name from its shape, which is like a horseshoe, that is Anshu Pa. This lake is of national importance due to its unique biodiversity character, having varied aquatic fauna and flora, and is a famous natural heritage of Odisha. It harbors large number of fishes and aquatic plants. Different types of resident and migratory birds visit the lake in winter time, attracting large number of tourists. During the rainy season, the many hues of the water makes for a beautiful sight, and the presence of the migratory birds during the winter season adds to the vibrancy of the lake.
We are going for boating into the lake. So there are two types of boats are available. This is one type of boat and this is another type of boat. The price difference is, this is 25 rupees per person and this is 50 rupees per person, and life jacket is mandatory. The difference is, this boat you have to drive or paddle by yourself, and this boat, this is machine boat. Anshupa Lake. The experience is awesome. There you can see a hills. That hills is Saranda Hills. As I said, it is created from Mahanadi River. It is a freshwater lake and it is one of the major freshwater lake of India. This place is also shelter for the migratory birds in winter season. This lake is surrounded by the bamboo tree and the mango trees.
This lake is directly linked with the river Mahanadi by a channel called Kabula Nala, through which floodwater of river Mahanadi enters the lake. There is another channel called Huluhala Nala, which has also an opening to river Mahanadi, which acts like an outlet. A hillock named Saranda Hill runs along the western bank of Lake Anshupa and adds greatly to the scenic beauty of Anshupa Lake. A very old fort called Saranda Fort, built during Kesari dynasty, is situated near the lake on western side of Saranda Hills. This has some archaeological significance.
They made some barricade over there. That means you cannot go beyond that. This is the area defined within which you have to do boating.
Anshupa Lake, spread over an area, varies from 375 acres to 385 acres. Average depth of the water is about 8 to 10 meters at present.
As it is very beautiful, so the Odisha government also made a giant step to attract tourists to this place. From where we enter the place, you can see they decorated very beautifully. Odisha government has also made a state highway passing this lake, which also make this place a very popular destination for tourists. We will go to the upper side of the Saranda Hills, there are some bamboo cottages are made for the tourists. Now we will go to the see the bamboo cottages. And one point, this place is made by Chilka Development Authority.
इको गार्डन अंशुपा या डेभलप कर चिलिका डेभलपमेंट अथॉरिटी आम 20 रुपीज पर टिकेट रखीचु जोटा कि आम जस्ट आम जो मैनेजमेंट हो खर्च किसी अनुसार किसी मेकअप हो जाऊँ आम एठार महिला ग्रुप 4टी महिला ग्रुप एकत्रित हो मैनेज कर माँ मंगला महिला मिशन शक्ति संघ सुवर्णपुर विलेजर 4टी गोष्ठी एकाठी मिसी ये स्टार्टिंग रू एक मैनेज कर किसी गोटे सेयार नियंती से गछपत्र अलिया जरी पान गुटुका जरी जहाँ भी ये पड़े से मेंटेन करती बोट्रे लोक बसाती सर्विस ठीक दिखती एवं गेट रे भी टिकेट काटते टिकेट काटिकी जी हुए से अनुसार गोटे सेयार किसी दि जाऊँगी नहीं खुशी घर को जाती
गवर्नमेंट प्रोजेक्ट
यस
ओडिशा स्टेट
गवर्नमेंट चिलिका डेभलपमेंट अथॉरिटी ओके यार परिवेश आ परिस्थिति को लेकिन जो भाई डेभलप कराई जो भाई गछ गार्डन कराई लोक मैंने जी आसिले भी से बहुत खुशी होती और आमको कहते बहुत मेंटेन कराऊँगी ये सब मेंटेन चिलिका डेभलपमेंट अथॉरिटी भुवनेश्वर मैनेज करती एठिका जो कर्मचारी अच्छा से भी दिन सकाल सन्ध्या पूरा परिश्रम करते लोक मैंने भल पद शुणा जी भी गेस्ट एठिक आसती टूरिस्ट आसती खुशी होगी जाती एठी एंट्री करने पर हेड टिकेट गोटे कस्ट रखी 20 रुपीज आगुरी थी 15 रुपीज एवं लास्ट 20 रुपीज ये रखीचु आम पार्किंग लोक पार्किंग फ्री करूँ टॉयलेट पूरा सेफ्टी टॉयलेट पूरा फ्री करूँ
थैंक यू So now we are heading towards the hill. These are the bamboo cottages which is made over the hills.
You can book these cottages from Ecotour Odisha website. For booking, please visit Ecotour Odisha website and search for Anshupa Nature Camp. This hill has old remnants of stone architecture on hilltop which are locally known as Armory House, Bhai Bahu Pua and Concha Kabata. Now, we quickly discuss some important topics like how and when to visit the lake. The Biju Patnaik International Airport is about 57 km from this lake. In case of railways, the Bhubaneswar railway station is about 62 km and Cuttack railway station is about 46 km from here. The Bhubaneswar bus stand is about 57 km from this lake. Now, for the best time to visit the lake, the winter is always best for visiting Anshupa as this time it becomes a migratory birds hub.
From the watchtower of Saranda Hills, it is the top point of Saranda Hills, and now I am showing you the view of the lake from this watchtower of Saranda. actually the lake. This is the lake, and this is the river, that point, and it is cut from that river. This is that is the mainstream river, and this is the lake. This lake is actually horseshoe shaped lake.
This is the Armory House.